The Sumerian King List. In the quiet light of the Ashmolean Museum in Oxford sits an object that should not exist. Not gold, not jewels, just clay. The Weld Blundell Prism, covered in cuneiform, telling a story that defies history. It lists the rulers of ancient Sumer, the cradle of civilization. But there is a problem. According to this text, the first kings didn't rule for years or decades. They ruled for tens of thousands of years. Propaganda, sacred symbolism, or something else entirely? Welcome to the mystery of the Sumerian Kings List. Chapter 1. The Prism of Impossibilities. 4,000 years ago, a scribe pressed history into clay. Not fiction, a record. Discovered in 1922, 4 sides, 8 columns, and then the chilling line. After the kingship descended from heaven, the kingship was in Eridu. To the Sumerians, kingship was not created by humans. It came from above. The first king, Alulim, 28,800 years. His successor, 36,000 years. Written as calmly as any normal reign. Scholars say symbolism, math cycles, astronomy, but the text never says that. To the scribe, this was real. Chapter 2. The 8 Immortals. Before the Great Flood, there were 8 kings. Enmen-Luana, 43,200 years. Enmen-Galana, 28,800 years. Ubara-Tutu, 18,600 years. Then, suddenly, the flood swept over. Longevity disappears. Everything changes. The parallel with Genesis is impossible to ignore. Long lifespans before the flood, a sharp decline after. Coincidence? Shared memory? Or something else? Some say non-human rulers. Some say misunderstood math. Even adjusted, the numbers remain impossible. Chapter 3. The Return of Kingship. After the waters recede, kingship descends again. This time to Kish. Reigns shrink. Thousands become hundreds. And then, names we recognize. Etana. And eventually, Gilgamesh. Real, attested, a king we can prove existed. If Gilgamesh is real, and he sits in the same chain as kings who ruled 30,000 years, where do we draw the line between myth and history? Chapter 4. The Political Truth. Maybe the answer isn't cosmic. Maybe it's political. Historians believe the King's List was propaganda, a tool to legitimize rulers, a divine claim to power. But even if true, why such precise numbers? Why 43,200? Why 28,800? Not poetic exaggerations. They look calculated. Star cycles? Dynastic coding? Or something we lost the ability to decode? Chapter 5. The Unresolved Legacy. Today, the prism sits behind glass, plain, silent, unapologetic. A challenge to our neat version of history, a whisper from a stranger world. The Sumerians gave us writing, law, cities, civilization, and yet they also tell us, once giants walked the earth. Once, kingship came from above. Once, time itself was different. Historians debate, skeptics dismiss, believers defend, but the prism remains. Is it cosmic memory, political myth, mathematical code, or something beyond our understanding? In the end, the King's List is a mirror, reflecting the question, do we really know where we came from? Or have we simply forgotten the first chapter of our story? What do you believe? History, mythology, propaganda, or a forgotten truth? Tell me your theory in the comments. And if you want more ancient mysteries, follow, subscribe, and let's keep uncovering what the ancients left behind.